Hi, I'm Judy and we're in the Savoring Today kitchen today making maple acorn squash. And so I'm going to show you how to cut it up. It's an easy roast in the oven, and then we're going to fill it with butter and maple syrup, a little bit of vanilla extract and cinnamon, and then we'll top it with pecans. Let's get cooking. In this acorn squash recipe, you'll only need a few ingredients to get started. You're going to want to score right along the indentation in the squash in order to easily then cut down through it. It takes just a little pressure to drive that knife all the way through the squash. Once you've cut it, then you'll take a spoon and scoop out the seeds that are inside. Pro tip here, you can roast acorn squash seeds just like you roast pumpkin seeds. Once you have the seeds scooped out, you're going to pierce the flesh with a fork and place it face down on the baking dish. Add a little bit of water to the bottom of the dish, which will help the squash steam, and roast it at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. When the squash is done, you should easily be able to press the flesh with a fork, and it should be very soft. Now it's time to add the butter, and then just a splash of vanilla extract into each squash half. Then take maple syrup and drizzle that over the squash and inside. You'll then sprinkle it with cinnamon and then add the pecans directly on the pan and roast in the oven another 5 to 7 minutes. When the butter has melted and the pecans are toasted, remove them from the pan and chop them coarsely. Sprinkle a little bit of salt over each of the squash and then top each one with the chopped toasted pecans. We like to serve 1/2 of an acorn squash per person. Cheers. That was fall at our house.